So here on the table is a 3.5mm jack clearing tool. I remember seeing years ago that there was a Kickstarter to produce these, and recently I purchased it online for a fairly ridiculous price for what it is. Anyway, as you see, you can jam it into a headphone jack of any variety. And the idea is you should be able to put it in there, twist it, pull it, and it should clear the obstruction. So it's just a cylinder piece of tubing on a key ring. Basically what it is, I think I paid around $30 to $40 Australian for this, including shipping. So whoever's producing these is making a killing. I think they're probably using about 3 cents of material. As you can see here, I'm not having much success with this iPad Air with only a very small amount of headphone jack busted in the bottom of it. So what I'm going to do is abandon this one and try another one that I've got floating around that needs the same thing done. Next iPad. Jamming that in, giving it a twist. So I didn't quite catch it on camera. And bam! Jack cleared. As you can see on the blue mat, a bit of the headphone jack has come straight out of it. So far a 50% success rate, which even that, if I can do that 50% of the time and clear a jack rather than having to disassemble the device to push it from the inside out, it's definitely going to save a lot of time. So if you can pick up one of these relatively cheaply, it very well may be worthwhile adding it to your toolkit for repair. Anyway, this other one here, it looks like I'll be tearing the digitizer out of it to clear this jack. Anyway, catch you in the next one. Bye.